Promenta GLSU Workflow has controlled the approval and posting of millions of journals in some of the world's largest organizations, bringing automation, compliance, and excellence to the financial period close. Finance teams prepare, validate, and submit journal workflow directly from GLSU with real-time SAP integration. Support attachments and pre-approval posting simulation ensure excellent data accuracy and compliance. Promenta's flexible workflow software enables your own approval rules, as well as notifications, reminders, substitutions, and forwarding. Approvers are notified and provide audited approvals by email and through their Promenta dashboard, leading to SAP Finance document posting on final approval. Global journal visibility reporting gives finance teams a real-time view as the period is closing. External auditors have all the reporting they need to confirm compliance. Promenta GLSU Workflow, a trusted SAP-certified partner product which runs inside S/4HANA and SAP ECC. Get in touch with Promenta to learn more, book a demo, or schedule a free trial.